Hi everybody, it's Stuart here from Hot Forex. It's just gone 1500 hours GMT, and it's about 30 minutes to the key presentation by Mrs May in the UK Parliament. So it's all about pound today. Talk today is really of Plan B. It doesn't look like there's going to be much change, and the Irish backstop will still become a big sticking point. But obviously, let's see what she's got to say. But there's been lots of rebuttals out of Ireland as well as the EU today as well. So if there's also a key thing that might come through the Parliament today is also there's a set of amendments that a cross-party set of MPs are trying to put together to take control. The Parliament takes control rather than the government. That would be really unprecedented, and I imagine there might be quite a strong bid on the pound if that actually goes through. So watch the pound. Could be extremely volatile in the next hour or so. So here we are, sort of going sideways really. 128.70 at the moment. 129 would be the first resistance level through the pivot level, then daily resistance here at 129.50, and then this big psychological area we attached, so 130 to the upside is the next key sort of psychological level for pound. To the downside is obviously the support here at this 200 period, which we've tested today, and then further down is all the way down here. S3 now pivots under around 127, so there could be some quite significant moves if there's any surprises, and if this amendment of Parliament taking control actually goes through. But again, that's yet to be decided, so watch that one. There was some weak German data earlier today, and the dollar's sort of bid against the euro. Euro's rolled over here in the last few hours, so there was that triggered. It tried to go long here this morning, sort of ran up. It would have hit target one certainly, then would have come back. Stop loss would have been pulled up there, would have taken you out of that for target two, and then it's rallied down. So yeah, certainly target one again on going down. I'm not sure about where target two would have been on that one, but certainly euro bit choppy. This 1375 area remains key, both the high time frames and intraday as well. Yen has held its gains. Basically, dollar's held its gains against the yen here. 109.65 over the key pivot. Resistance is 109.88 level, and then the potentially 110 level if this bid continues, but it's difficult to tell obviously today with the US being closed. Gold continued to weaken today. We're under 1280 into the S1 level here at 1277, and oil conversely continues to bid. It's held 54 quite strongly, and we've ran into R1 here at 54.40. So oil bid, gold under a bit of pressure today, and CAD, the Canadians market's open today. It's only the US that's closed, so the North American market's not completely closed. But dollar again has sort of held its bid against CAD here. It's ran into R2 at 133.10 and come back down, and R1 is here at 132.86, way over its pivot here at 132.60 zone with the 200 period there. So dollar CAD well bid there into the Canadian session rather than the US session. So take care. We'll see you all tomorrow at the webinar, and watch those pound crosses, because could be some action there. It could also be a lot of nothing as well, because the market's expecting very little from Plan B. If she does surprise the market again, could be some surprise to the upside, as I've just said, and also to the downside. So watch those pound crosses. So take care. We'll see you all again tomorrow. All the best. Bye bye.